Well, I've been here and there, moving from here to another place, looking for something that I'll never get. Then you wrote and gave me 5 years standing on the road, living like a baldipi on his hand. Will I ever find somewhere I can't forget your name? And I feel so sorry for my mistake. I get back, and I feel so insane. No, I'm away. I get back, I'll be back for the summer. During this trip I had myself a drug, describing myself in many ways, waiting for answers that never came. That's so many lies. I had to find the reason why I'm walking out through no man's land. Can't you see I am too? It was the only way out, and I'm falling to this place, meeting facing without pain. They show me why